talk to you today about Inside Out OS, an operating system for controlling your own brain. Today, we're talking about applying this brain science and how to get personalized help to do this to turn on healing in both your body and your mind. Most of the things we do to create and restore health are from the outside in. That's such as taking various medications, supplements, surgeries, nutrition, exercise, etc. Inside Out OS operating system harnesses your brain to turn on the innate healing intelligence of your body, which is scientifically known as homeostasis. What we are aware of or conscious of in our lives is only the tip of the iceberg. Beneath the surface awareness is the subconscious. Almost everything that happens in the body and even the mind is actually the subconscious. That is, below the level of consciousness, except to ancient adepts who meditated for 15 to 20 years. Now, the fast-evolving science of brain function makes this vast depth of knowledge of your own body accessible to you in as little as 5 minutes per day. Using multiple research-proven techniques simultaneously, virtual programs in your brain shift your body into the healing mode. It also works to overcome mind issues such as anxiety, depression, and attention deficits. You can trigger your own production of neurotransmitters, hormones, immune factors, and many other physical factors to heal from the inside out. Having studied this for over 25 years, I work with individuals in a 3-hour session to identify areas to heal, overcome stumbling blocks, and map your path to optimum well-being. Then we produce your own personalized video with customized mind instructions, images, and music to put you into this healing state in just 5 minutes. We meet a second time for an hour to tweak this to your desired results and give you the next steps to self-empowered healing. The video is yours to keep forever and modify as you choose. You will be astonished at how programming your brain to the health you want actually changes your body and your life. You start to receive subtle and overt confirmation that you can actually master your own health. This is much more effective than all the subconscious things we do to avoid what we don't want. As an example, one man with Lou Gehrig's disease, ALS, used this method to get out of his wheelchair and run 2 half marathons. That's how powerful this is. Exploring your own subconscious is an exciting journey to reprogram yourself without limitations. Go to selfempoweredhealing.net and schedule a free discovery session to learn about Inside Out OS to harness the power of your own brain to create the health of your dreams. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell for more videos on self-empowered healing. See you next time.